I watch these waves and I connect it to my life. I'm seeing balance here. I'm seeing nature's balance. I'm seeing a small wave, a bigger one which is coming very slow at its own pace, and the other one is rushing towards me. How nice is this balance? Imagine there is no such balance. Each and every wave is faster, huge. It would already be on me and then moving to the population that exists there and create a lot of damage. Nature will bring in its balance. Let's apply that to our lives. Let's see how nature is brought in balance around us, within siblings, friends, relatives, neighbors, colleagues. Each and every person looks different, weighs different. Financial status is different. Education varies from person to person. This is nature's balance. That doesn't mean there is only good or only bad. That perfection and imperfections balance is always there. Everyone has their own strengths and weaknesses when we see adults around us. Now if we talk about children, babies, each baby looks different, weighs different, but we are in a rush to compare them with the milestone chart. At 8 months, my baby had to be crawling, but my baby is not yet doing anything. Or my son is 1 year old and he's still not weighing 10 kilos. Nature has its own way. There is a balance. If you go to doctor would say, is your baby active? Is your baby happy? Is your baby learning something each day? Then he's okay, don't worry, don't fret. Even if he doesn't weigh according to milestone, don't worry. So these are just standards. So standard in our lives have become doctors and engineers. We are behind making our children the same. Things are changing for good, yes, but there is a lot more that we need to do. We want our children to excel, or rather be number one in many things, and we send them to co-curricular activities. We want them to join drama classes, not just do education, and we want them to go to sports, excel there, compete there, come number one. And if they don't, we are stressful. We pass that stress to them. We are agitated and they can feel that. They can sense that negativity that we are spreading. And you no more have a happy child. You like it or not, nature will bring in its balance. And the balance not be only bad, as I am telling, it may be good. They may be doing something amazingly well that you don't know. You haven't allowed them to tweak their own energies, their own strengths. So allow them, let them pave their own way. Let them understand their weaknesses and strength, and let them do the thing which is out of the box. Let us be happy, let us be facilitators. Because remember, nature will bring in that balance. Let's not be stressful parent. Let us not be just running behind money. And what are we teaching them? We can also come, enjoy, have a life here on the beach with our children around us. And let us tell them what is important in life, happiness, being peaceful. And prosperity will come. When you are happy, when you are peaceful, that will happen. And prosperity is not just money, people. Okay, so parenting is a task that we never had, and let us make it a happy one. Let me know if you like this concept. Let me know the way I have shot if you are liking it. And let me know what else we can talk, what else we can do, and what are you doing to be a happy parent. Bye-bye, people.
You.